Hello, 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 Sturdy Mike Graven coming to you from Chicago, as usual, and Bama Mike comes through again. I always know he's going to come through. Bama Mike and I chat. We chat. He tells me important things I need to know, and I tell him things he doesn't want to know. That's our relationship. That's the truth of the matter right there. All right. So he did this. I posted it in my community tab a few days ago, but you know, that's only the precursor to us having our full therapy session. We got a SovCit. I saw a little bit of it just to verify that it is what it is. I think he ends up in front of Perkins. I don't think it's a SovCit that I did. How does SovCit start creeping into all the rooms I know without me knowing about it? They're like everywhere. They're like cockroaches. I can't keep up with them. Nonetheless, we've got this guy. I mean, on Bama Mike's thumbnail, he's got the most ridiculous shirt. I'm sure we'll see it. It's good times. Let's do this thing, shall we? Go over there and give him some love. Hit like, subscribe, watch a video while you're over there. He's got good stuff.
Edward Frank Town, 6944.
Playing G7 mile.
Come forward.
Pull up some more. Pull up some more. Fucking dumbass.
30630.
Let's go to Shannon.
Well, scared.
Yes, sir. If y'all would start for Rouge Park, West Parkway, West Chicago, West Parkway, West Chicago.
What's going on, boss man? How you doing today?
Pretty good.
All right, so two things. You can't have that plate cover on your license plate like that.
Excuse me?
You can't have the plate cover on the license plate.
I'm Morris American.
What's that?
Morris American.
What does that mean?
That means you have no jurisdiction over me. But keep going.
You also have no insurance on the vehicle.
I'm Morris American.
Okay, let me get the license registration.
Okay, I don't have license or registration.
You got an ID?
I'm Morris American.
You got an ID?
I have a Morris American card.
Okay, let me get something with your name on it.
My name is Grayson Bay.
Any weapons in the car?
Whatever. Just give me something with your name on it. I know it's nonsense, but at least I'll know one of the names you use for yourself.
So let me get your ID.
That's my ID.
Sir.
I don't have ID.
You want me to
call your commander. Call your chief.
All right. I've been through this before, man. Okay, I'll call him. Your car coming with me, though.
Right here. Inform him who I am.
Can you roll it down a little more so I can talk to you?
You talking right now.
Okay, can you roll it down a little bit more?
I'm talking to you right here.
All right, look, man. So you're in a motor vehicle, right?
Just the neighborhood police officer.
I know.
No, we are neighborhood police officers.
We're not neighborhood police
We're not
officers.
neighborhood police officers.
Oh, they not neighborhood police.
We're police officers.
That's why you probably don't
Detroit.
know them. It's officers, what is that?
Flannel.
Flannel.
and
Aberson.
Aberson. I guess they use these neighborhoods. But I
Not really.
gave them notices up there when you work at, and they know who I am, so I don't understand why they trying to charge me a tax. And I'm not getting out of my vehicle.
Okay.
Now, what
You got
want
a license? No, I don't want to talk. I'm talking to you.
You hear everything.
That's fine. She can listen then. Okay. I'm trying to talk to you. Is that okay?
I don't want to take a tax. That's what you.
I understand. I understand. So you have your license on you.
No.
You have
I just gave you my information.
Right.
Where's
But
It's
it's
not coming up in the
It's
system,
not
sir.
coming up. So I'm
Well,
asking
give
you.
my card back.
Do you have an ID?
Give my traveler's card back.
That's over there.
Okay, go get my traveler's card. I have a traveler's card. No, I have no ID with me. I told him who I was too.
And it's not coming back. That's why we're trying to get your state ID.
That's their issue then. It ain't coming back.
What's your middle name?
Grayson Bay.
You don't have a middle name?
Grayson Bay.
You don't have a middle name?
Grayson Bay. GRAYSON-BEY. Please give me my
Okay, Grayson Bay, that name's familiar to me.
traveler's card back.
Sir, I keep telling you it's not coming back. Are you gonna give us an ID or no?
You give me my traveler's card. I don't have ID. I just gave you my ID. They break my window. I'm suing y'all.
Who was that on the phone? Who was that on the phone?
This is your commander.
Okay, let me see. I'll talk to her.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is the neighborhood cop officer.
Who was that?
But hold on. That's the neighborhood.
Yes, who is this?
Officer Reed. I work with her.
Reed? Reed, do you know this guy?
You don't understand what Morris American is?
No.
That has nothing to do with what we going over.
What are you there?
We on 7 Mile in Plainview.
Right.
I'm there on the way.
All right.
All right.
My badge is 230, man.
I don't have time for this.
All right. Well, she on her way.
Okay, good.
Jesus Christ, bro.
You're actually on Westmoreland, not Plainview.
Yeah, I just went over there and changed it.
I love you. You're my expert.
I don't have Wesley with
So
me.
where's he at?
This gold one right here.
Okay. These are my experts. Is the plate good?
No, it's the plate's good,
All right,
but it
Greenlight,
ain't
I'm
got no
dropping you on the
insurance.
ticket as well.
How you doing, sir? I'm Corporal Dovis with Detroit City Police Department. Good. How you doing, sir? So what's going on today?
It's not what we said.
Yes, sir.
All right, Eddie, I see
I usually don't even take you guys.
873.
I just want to hear what happened today. I get your report. I just want to hear what's going on today.
Okay, they can do the U-turn. I guess they want me to. They want to give me a ticket.
No, they're on a traffic stop.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Vehicle doesn't show
Pursuant to
no.
Michigan Code, MCL Code, you need a valid Michigan driver's
One and
license.
Greenlight 2 out there with them.
I understand that.
57's creeping around the corner.
Okay, well that doesn't give you. If you're, okay, I'll hear you, and then I want you to hear me, so we're not talking over each other. So let me hear you.
You're here. Just one of those sovereign citizen types.
Give me a ticket and put it in Grayson Bay good and fine. I ain't gonna put no.
Okay, good on secure.
He can do that and send me on my way. And that way, y'all ain't gonna be looking like y'all about to shoot.
Take 57.
Ain't nobody shooting up
Guns
nothing,
out here,
man.
and I don't.
Brother, this is all being
Put it in
recorded.
Grayson. Give me the ticket and let me go by my.
Can you hear about me now?
Can
Can you hear about me for the sum of $3 million? Is that what it says? That's usually what you guys
Okay,
do.
gotcha.
Okay, so do you want to hear me now? Do you want to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I heard everything you said. I understand you identify as a Moor citizen. The great state of Michigan, okay, you need a valid driver's license.
Stop cutting him off. You want to
Okay,
make him
I'm gonna talk one more time. If you cut me off, I'm gonna impound your car, and then you can federally sue me for that too. Okay? So hear me out. Okay?
Like I said, I have no problem with Detroit. You guys are great for me.
Okay. So can I talk now? Okay. Excellent. So in the state of Michigan, if you're on state roadways, alleys, or highway, you need a valid Michigan driver's license, not a Morris. You also need a valid Michigan registration. You need valid Michigan insurance. Okay, do you have any of them items? Okay, no, I'm not finished. I'm not finished. Okay, so if you don't have any of them, we're going to ticket you and we're going to impound the vehicle. Well, that's not, that's you don't make the rules, I do. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. We don't want that to happen today unless it gets to that point. Okay. 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 Excellent. Okay, get back to the story. Okay. Yep. 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 Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are, sir.
This is a citation.
It is. It is.
Whatever the case.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. I hope it all works out for you. But in this situation, listen, in this situation, listen.
I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are to write that ticket.
Listen. That's fine. That's fine. You are in violation. You're absolutely right. You are in violation. So, the 8th precinct, sir. 4-4 Dovis, badge 7-3. Okay. So, here's what we're gonna do to finish this up, man. So, if you don't want to give me a valid driver's license, valid registration, or insurance, you will receive some tickets and we will impound your car. So, you make your decision. I need some ID and some registration things.
That's it right there.
Okay, it's not a valid driver. It's an identification card. It should say driver's license. So, what do you want to do?
I want you to give me the tickets so I can go and handle my business.
Okay, so are you going to give me identification, registration, or insurance?
Can you put the vehicle in the cab?
Registration or insurance?
Can you put the vehicle in the
Registration or
cab?
insurance?
Can you?
Okay, why don't you drop the car in the cab and we'll roll a tow? Okay. Will you pull the car up? Okay, so that's it. Hurry up, Guardiola. All right, drop it in there, and then did you issue them tickets off of this? Run them in lean?
He's not coming up.
Okay. So they usually use fake names, so Grayson Bay is a fake name because they're all bays. Every Moor citizen I've ever had is a bay.
That's ridiculous. I'm not gonna.
And that's fake. Okay, that's fake. Your birth name. What's your birth name? What's your birth name?
Radio 63.
Well, believe it, because I'm giving you every opportunity in the world to give me what you need.
Yes, sir. Spoke to the complainant. She said that the people were escalating, and for fear of her own personal safety, she just changed locations, and she's just going to chalk it up as a loss. She's at Joint Spinoza, and she doesn't want to see an officer, but she's away from those people from the original location.
All you gotta do is give us an ID.
I can feel it.
So, Mr. Morris, Mr. Bay, do you want your vehicle impounded, or do you want to give me what I'm asking for? Okay. Because, now listen, Mr. Bay, what we're going to do moving forward is we are going to take you out of the car and take you to jail for obstructing. Okay? Okay, we'll sign you as a John Doe. That's okay. We take John Does in the state of Michigan. So, do you want to go to jail? That's your next step.
I want to go to jail.
Just give us an ID or
something. I'm not no ID, man. I'm telling you who I am.
You're not. This is a fake name. This is a fake name.
I have to stand on who I am.
This is a
I'm
fake
living
name.
who I am.
This is a fake name. What's your birth name?
Radio 61,
What's your
your
birth
status
name?
for Plymouth.
It's not. You weren't born. This is getting confiscated too.
It's been taken before I got it back.
This is getting confiscated too.
Okay, got it.
Oh man, I'm not that jurisdiction. I learned from that, and I separated from it.
Did you drop the car in the cab?
I have to stay on my word.
Okay, cool.
On my word.
Okay. Well, my word, I gotta stand on mine too, because I'm a sworn police officer.
Okay, 11, you need a flatbed or straight tow for that Cadillac.
So we got a tow coming. Do you really want this towed?
Okay,
flatbed, gotcha.
I have to stand on my word.
Me too. I'm a sworn officer to uphold the law, man. I'm gonna hold up on mine too.
Explain to me who I am.
No, you don't.
This is me on this side.
Okay.
You
Here we
are
go
the
with that.
legions trying to charge me a tax. I don't pay. I'm telling you, you have to know who you are. I'm not a
You're
black
gonna go to jail, Mr. Bay.
I have to stand on who I am. I'm sorry, but I have to stand on
11, you said it was
You know what's awesome? We got a supervisor here that's gonna verify everything that we're saying.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm sending the request now.
You roll out your windows so I can speak to you?
Man, I have to stand on who I am, man. They're trying to tell me I'm not who I am. I gave them ID and who I am, and it's still, you know
Some
what I'm
words.
saying? I have to stand worse than that. I have to stand
They're
on
all
who I
that
am.
name.
I can't go against
I've dealt with at least 20
I
that
can't
name.
stand on that.
I have to shout out Bama Mike one more time. It is so fun because we do a lot of these SovCits, and every once in a while he actually hunts them down, does the FOIA or whatever, does the damn homework to get it. Because we always want to see the actual video, and this is just so fun for me.
That's somebody that know who I am.
This is not a driver's license.
It doesn't. I'm telling you who I am. I'm traveling. I'm not even driving. I'm traveling.
You're driving.
I'm going to point. Hey, y'all hindering me from traveling.
I'm traveling.
No.
Come on, man.
I'm traveling, graveling.
All right, sir, you've been advised.
Damn, man.
You can step out of the vehicle right now, or you're going to go to jail for obstruction.
You can record all you want, sir. We are too, but you will step out of this car, sir. And if you give us any problem, you will go to jail for obstructing a lawful order of a police officer.
Sir,
Who? You heard me. You heard me.
This is your final warning. You've been advised.
Oh, man, I can't give up my vehicle. Man, come on. I can't give up. You know, I just
Give me the word to break the window and pull them out.
Man, I can't do that.
Okay.
See, See
All
what
right.
you call?
Anybody got a baton?
See
We're
what
gonna break
you
the
call,
window.
man. What's the floor, man?
Okay.
Step out the car right now.
I can't, man, come on, man. I have to stand on who I am, man. I'm serious. I have to stand on who I am, man.
Me too. I'm a sworn officer to uphold the Constitution of America and the civil laws, which you're breaking.
I'm telling you, man, y'all wrong for this.
Okay. Final warning, because I'm going to break the window.
Everything. All places due to law. Don't touch my vehicle, man.
Alright, 11, I've ordered you tow and I'm giving you full.
My piece to go away. She know me. I'm the one who's on these.
Somebody who's going to be standing by for the tow.
Come on, man. As more y'all, 2 more Americans that y'all even know who y'all are.
Listen, you can still save yourself, sir, in your vehicle.
We ain't figured it out yet. We still
Step
have
out of the car. You can pick up your car later on.
Okay, well, I'll give everybody full deal. Just let me know.
You
got two options.
I don't want to get shot or tased. I
You
don't
got
want
two
none of that stuff,
Then step
man.
out of the
I just
car.
want to go on with my day.
Listen to my
With
sergeant.
my day.
Listen to my sergeant.
Listen,
The vehicle doesn't even belong to him.
Step-
It's a female.
that's my wife. What are you talking about? I got to walk her up here. She come
Step out
get
of the car.
me. If we do that,
You can
let's
pick
do
up.
that.
You can
You
pick
got to
up.
come out, though.
It's not, you know what? I wish
You got the window breaker?
I don't
We're
want
about to
no
break the
issue.
window.
Hold on. I don't want no issue.
Then
Let's step out the car.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Listen, I will tell you this right now.
Let
You
me
step
make
out.
sure.
Let me speak.
Let me call my
If you
husband.
step out of the car, you will let your wife come get your vehicle. But you have to step out
And
of the
that's
car.
being recorded, so there it is. We're not going to wait for all
No,
that.
I got to call her and let her know.
The event
Stepping out 'cause I don't want to
Okay.
And I can tell Elliot
Back up, give him some room.
per Dearborn.
Come on, sir.
I'm gonna back up some of my officers for you, but you gotta step out.
Come on, sir.
Cars and 8 volunteering, 16,005 Schoolcraft, that's 16005. Schoolcraft, you have an unknown problem.
Just us two.
Caller says her ex-boyfriend and landlord are at the location. Nothing else is listed.
No one's going to hurt you, sir. Hello? 7 miles. And
Hey,
I'm
look.
telling them who I am, and I don't want.
Listen, just step out the car. I ain't gonna let nobody do nothing to you, bro.
Listen. When they said she gonna come get my
Oh,
vehicle.
yep, there you are.
Okay, they gonna if they say they gonna let her get the vehicle, they gonna let her get the
Okay, the
vehicle. But you gotta step out the car.
Yes, sir, I'm stepping out.
We on 7 Mile on Westmoreland.
Now, like I said, I want them shooting me and doing anything.
I ain't gonna let them do none of that to you, brother.
The car's on Westmoreland and 7 Mile. I'm turning my vehicle off, okay?
Okay.
I'm stepping out.
Okay,
I'm trusting in you.
I got you.
I don't
Don't
want
relax.
no issue.
Man, ain't nobody else gonna touch you.
Thank you.
Come
Please.
Stay that way from me.
Right.
Stay that way from me.
I'm not. No, he gonna probably need you. He could probably do
Where
it
you
in
going?
his vehicle.
Just us, man. It's just us. That's fine. It's just us. I'm going to check into weapons for
Yeah,
my
go
safety
ahead.
and yours.
Please.
I got you.
My officer right there is going to do it.
Yeah. You get down like that, man.
I got you, brother, man. We want to respect you for who you are, but we deserve the same respect. Feel me?
Right.
Cool.
I had to make sure I'm
Field
safe.
811, you've got Detroit Auto
So you know,
Recovery coming to
look,
you.
it's still recorded.
Okay.
Everything's being
It's-
on camera.
Okay.
Right here, guy, is recording.
Okay.
I'll put my hands up here with you.
Right. Okay. Now, like I
Radio
said,
882.
I ain't got no beef with none of y'all. You seem to have an
Yes, sir.
issue with me with my plate, and I told you that's my national flag. And that's all. That's why you say
We just got the bus for about maybe 15 minutes ago, and the mileage was
Put my hands right where yours are.
46839.
Y'all, I don't want to look.
4683.
Look at that shirt. He is none of the above. He is a Moor, and that's all apparently.
Alright, gotcha.
Y'all got guns. What do you want? Say it.
Okay.
And
So we can
are
do
you
something
guys
y'all
around
around.
today
I'm
for on
scared.
duty?
Sir, I'll tell you what we want and what's going to
Alright,
happen.
gotcha.
Back up for him.
Today,
Right.
what's going to happen?
Radio 84 status on your paper?
A couple civil infractions.
Oh yeah, I said give me that, and I can get
You got it,
We'll
sir.
get you the court date. We'll get you everything.
And that's
every
what it
single
could've
piece of
been that.
information you
He
need.
want to take my vehicle.
Listen, brother.
I'm sorry.
Hey, shake my hand. There we go. I'm Joel. All right, I'll take my first
Radio
name. All right,
610.
Grayson Beck.
And it's not
Check
a
us out.
fake
Here's
name.
what we're going to do. We're going to issue you some citations.
Okay.
Unfortunately, since you failed to provide me any paperwork for the car,
She
okay.
coming with it.
Okay. If that happens before my tow gets here, we'll relinquish the car to your wife.
Uh-huh.
Alright, thank you,
I
sir.
know. Get up here. You show your ID so they know it's yours.
Okay, listen. If
Get up
she
here.
brings the
Yes,
proper
sir.
paperwork to the vehicle, we can work around a tow and release the vehicle to your wife. If not, the vehicle will be impounded. Okay.
I said Westmoreland is 7 miles.
Since you stepped out of the car, since you stepped out of the car, you will not be going to jail for obstruction. Okay. We're gonna make that known right now. You're not going to jail right now. Okay. But if she fails to bring us paperwork, the vehicle will be impounded.
She's coming
okay.
out.
All right. So,
tickets for the.
what was your birth name?
Excuse me, Grayson Bay.
It was not.
It's Grayson Bay.
Be honest.
I have to go back. I can't. Look, you have to understand. You have to understand my position.
Yes, sir.
It's not like I can't lie to you. It's like it's a
tell me.
fraud.
I want to educate me.
The way I've been taught, it's a fraud. So we have to distinguish all of it. You know what I'm saying? I had to go with my nationality.
So you had to distinguish
the
everything
American
that
flag.
you were born. Right.
That's a trading flag.
Cars
I
at
can't.
6, voluntary 6325 Evergreen, 6325 Evergreen for
here.
I
This
said, what were
coming
you
with
born
name.
Under
as?
what name?
Grayson Bay. That's
you
the
weren't
name I have
born
to
under
take.
that name because that's your new name. You relinquished your one name. So what was the relinquished
Grayson
name
Bay.
then?
Yes, sir. Morris, you know me.
Recognize
yeah,
me,
yes, sir. Yeah.
How come you never introduced me to yourself as being Morris? All the time we talked over there.
I was your captain.
No, negative. Every time I talked to you, you never told me you
But I
was
told you
Morris.
the first time.
Negative.
Remember? I remember the first time I told you about the dog incident.
About the dog incident? You never introduced yourself
I've been trying to
as Morris.
communicate. I'm sorry. I've been trying to communicate with you. I'm sorry.
Run the VIN.
I gave you one.
One of the cops actually knows him. This is interesting.
Yeah, she's coming up here. She's coming up here for
Get back to the car.
How come you wait for
Get for allowing somebody to drive the drive.
It's the one who pulled me over.
Then we'll find out who he is. We're gonna find out. Well, you can at least write her a ticket right now for allowing unlicensed
That's
drivers.
not why I got pulled over.
That way at least something's on paper.
I got pulled over for this plate number. It's in the window.
You know how to print them out right now?
That's why I
can't print out.
nothing to do with that flag.
I'm saying you can print out the white.
Then I gotta delete all these to go to the
Run the VIN. Okay. Whoever's name's on the VIN, cut that person's ticket for allowing an unlicensed driver to drive around.
I'm like, well, you know, I call her. I'm like, you know, they
That
know
way
me.
something's on
Hold on, let me
paper.
talk to you.
I'm sorry.
Sir, come here.
Come on now, man.
Listen.
I ain't gonna do all that.
Oh, okay.
Damn, man.
Okay,
Come
okay,
on.
don't
Why y'all doing all that?
Then it's in tow.
Listen, you already gave it.
Man, J-A-B-A-A-R.
J.A.B.
A-A-R. I'm doing it, man. Because like I said, I'm gonna get
He's just a videoer that's watching what happens.
I know. Hey, they got another ID for the vehicle. And I want to let her come and get my vehicle. I know, that's what I'm saying.
You gave up your name, give up the date. When we could just be on that road. Okay, but you
Uphold the U.S. Constitution.
I'm actually trying to. I don't, man.
I like you too. I like it.
And I got Southfield hard.
Okay.
I got them hard.
I hope it works out for you. It's gonna work out. Because if they did something wrong, I hope it works out.
That same ID, like you talking about.
I hope it works out for you. Because if they do something wrong, I hope it works out for you. But you're in Detroit dealing with the real
Y'all my
police.
people. No, y'all ain't the real. Y'all my people. You gotta understand.
I got it.
Understand
You
who
gotta
I am.
understand, you swore to oath. You swore to oath. No,
Right.
not U.S.
I'm
Constitution.
sorry.
Not the Moorish
And
Constitution, but U.S. Constitution.
Today is Friday, but I do wear fez, and it's not on my head today. I don't know if you cats do it in your own personal time
sir.
or how y'all handle it, but that's who I am. And I have to stand on that when I was just being nice by saying
Yes, sir.
that.
Okay. Thank you for being nice. We're gonna get this resolved.
You ain't scared, bro.
I am scared. I feel comfortable because y'all
Confirm your last four yourself.
Excuse me? Oh, man, see, y'all doing too much. Give me the ticket.
Stop.
Until we know who you are.
You know who I am.
We don't, because you're not coming up to
I just told you my name. Man, come on, man. Let me.
So confirm that.
No. He needs you to walk over
Because
there.
I want to tell you that.
Listen, okay, listen, this
came up.
stop, this coming from me. Don't give your right name. Stop. You don't give your right name, you're getting locked up. Grayson.
I spelled it. Didn't I spell it for you?
Grayson,
I
okay.
spelled it for you.
Last four of your social.
You don't need all that, man. I just gave you what you need, man. You're doing too much.
We can pull it anyway. Just
There you go.
Stop. Don't do that. Don't do that to me.
But do it, man. Come on, man. What's the issue?
The issue is you're not coming up we're trying to verify your information.
I'm telling you what, look, I gave enough. And usually, look,
That ain't enough.
I done had, look,
Not enough.
I done been through that. I done been arrested some more. I've been arrested before, and I am
Okay.
in the system.
Well, that's no problem.
That's what I'm saying. It
Well,
should
you
be.
know
I
what?
should
It's a
probably
holiday
be
week.
okay.
SID number. Hey, it's a holiday week. SID number? You know a SID number?
No.
What's your social security number that you were born with?
Just want your last 4. We got it pulled up. We have it.
There you go, then. There you go.
We
That
need
he
you to
just said
confirm it.
it. He just said it.
All right, man. You know what? I got the
mean?
keys.
No, she coming.
No, we're done. This is getting towed. We're done with this.
Hey, what's the verification? No.
That's all you wanted with? Yeah.
That's all you needed?
Step back. Yeah.
I know.
Stay right here in front of the camera.
Oh, cut me some slack.
No.
Hey,
listen, you stop. You moving too much for me. Okay.
See what I know. I'm sorry. Let me go. Man, look. Okay, I'm trying to get her to pull up and get the vehicle, but y'all can, you see what I'm saying? Oh man. Oh, come on, man. Let it happen, man. Come on. I don't see what I'm saying. Come on. I just told him. I just told him. Man, come on, man. Man, she, come on, man. Let her come up here and get it, man. Please, y'all. Please, man. Let her come get it.
Last 4? You dancing around. 5-4 or something.
All right, go ahead, wait over there.
Over there, sir.
In front of the vehicle, right here. Come on. Over here in front of the vehicle.
Pull up. He pulling up now.
Right here in front of the vehicle. I don't care. Sit there, right there.
He's pulling up, man. I know. And I'm sorry. I know. He'll come now, man.
Hang on. So for the duration of this,
I know. I'm sorry,
man. You're doing way too much. Okay, stop, or these handcuffs are gonna go on sideways. Right. Okay. See, you already got it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So stay
I'm gonna stay calm. I'm gonna stay calm.
You're just doing too much for my liking.
I was just trying to, man, by the time she got here, man.
All right. Come with me.
That's what, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, 1 second. All right, we're just going to sit you in here until you come, until this is settled.
Right. All right, thank you, man. But like I said, man, I just want to
scooch in.
All right.
Scooch all the way in. Scooch all the way in. All right. Jesus. That was way too much. There you go. You got the other set, right? Way too much.
Voluntary Section 904 building, 15904 building on a well-being check.
I'm prostitute.
You do realize that I probably was on the bars, right?
But I still have to stick on who I am, though. You know what I'm saying? You know, and that's been my position.
No, I get you, but it's all going to be no voice.
You got 3. You got 1 for no insurance, 1 for no license, 1 for license plate coverage. And then your wife got 1 for allowing an unlicensed driver to drive the vehicle.
Who, her?
She got 1 for allowing an unlicensed person.
Now, after the facts, you're going to have to go tell the judge why you got that ticket and it took so long to figure it out.
Oh,
You just told her straight up she wouldn't have got one. You can go to the judge.
What's up?
No,
Who's that?
Is that your stuff?
Yeah, I'm waiting on my traveler's charge.
Travis, that's going on evidence.
No, y'all can't take my traveler's card.
You sure can.
You sure? You say who has it?
Oh,
Is it going to evidence?
Yes, it is.
It has to be booked to evidence.
It's going on evidence.
Go ahead and grab your phone.
I had another set. Somebody threw another set of keys.
These? These will go with the vehicle.
Yeah, that's me.
That'll go with the vehicle.
No, that's my you had it on my car. Hold up.
Hey,
First of all, I'm sorry. That's my car. Hold up.
No, that's not your car.
Oh, that's somebody else's.
That's your wife's vehicle. It's in her name.
Oh no, this is what she got. That's to another vehicle. You gotta get out.
This ain't to this one?
Yeah, nah. Where she at? Take that to her. You feel like that. You're pulling keys out my shit, man. Give me my keys.
I think Dova's got the other set. That one goes there, but I think Dova's got the other set.
Oh, she got
this one go to this one?
Yeah, but
yeah, that one goes to that one.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He already gave it
I'm
another
sorry.
set.
Otherwise, they're going to break your shit towing.
Yeah, right. Okay.
So it'll
I
be
didn't
with
know
the
you took them
vehicle.
off.
Okay.
Right. I don't know what's going on.
Well, you're good to go now. You got your tickets.
I updated the wife on what's happening, so it's her fault.
It's a shame we got to do all this.
That's why I told her we didn't have to do all this to the wife. He caused all this by all the lying, confusion, not coming out, this tighter time.
The whole
She goes, watch her. I don't know what she's doing or what she's doing.
Yeah, the key has all the house keys are going with you, but the key to the Escalade is coming with us.
Hey, what impound are you looking
811. We got some information for you.
Showing Detroit Auto Recovery coming to you. They should be pulling up any second.
You're wondering the worst part about it? I'm about to write this man.
You just gonna
I was about to advise him. I was about to be like, because I get this plate cover all the time. People get confused on it. So I'm like, okay, cool, I'm gonna pull over. I'm let him about his window tint. You only allow for it. I was gonna advise him about his plate. That was it.
We went through all that first.
I was just gonna tell him, like, bro.
The slap is you're not going to jail for disobeying a lawful order of a police officer.
I was going out without it. See what I'm saying? Y'all waiting for her to be here. That's
Why didn't you do this in the first damn place instead of doing this mortar stuff? You should have been honest.
Stand on that once again.
But you ain't standing 100% because you're still holding the Michigan ID, so you ain't 100% more.
You free to leave, sir.
You ain't 100%. You still got a Michigan license.
Hold up. I got you, man.
You're good to go, sir.
I have to identify who I am. I have to get stuff out of there. Let me get stuff.
We'll do an inventory. It'll be documented. And you can
I need my registration out of here.
It'll be in the vehicle.
Yeah, she got it right.
At this point, you guys are good to go.
And that's supervision saying that.
So I suggest you do so.
Or else you would be in the back seat. Thank you. Have a great day.
I love you, girlfriend.
I'm so glad I called him.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus, we already called the Javar Tyrone Grayson matter. Let's go back.
Oh, this is so fun.
Back on the record with Javar Tyrone Grayson. All right. We have a situation here where Mr. Javar Tyrone Grayson has a jury trial set for tomorrow. And what I wanted to go over with the court, now this is Grayson Bay. Let me get that correct. Mr. Grayson Bay, I did receive the documentations that you had. He has a table of contents here. He has a declaration of nationality legal notice, declaration of nationality, name correction, proclamation, public and publication, judicial notice and proclamation to all elected United States Republic office and public servant of federal, state, city, and municipal governments, personnel, and corporate entities concerning the Constitution and all statutory and civil law codes of the land, know all men, etc., know all men be these present. Grayson Bay, one. See, let me strike that. Grayson Bay.
Could this get any more awkward? I absolutely love it. It's delicious.
Being duly affirmed, standing squarely, declare and proclaim upon divine law, naturals law, universal law, Morris birthrights, international law, and constitutional law, declare and say, I being previously identified by the Union States Society of North America USA.
I don't know who Perkins thinks he is, but he doesn't have jurisdiction.
Under the colorable warship name, Javar Tyrone Grayson, do hereby refute the fraud, semicolon. Make public and publish my corrected national name, declare and affirm my true proper person status, and reclaim my rightful social and cultural life of the state.
Yeah, nobody cares.
Semicolon. In accord with my ancestral Moorish nation of Northwest Amaxims, North America, acknowledging my birthrights, period. Having lawfully and legally obtained and proclaimed my nationality and birthright name and title, semicolon, I strike that, in harmony with, in association with, and in accord with divine law, the customs and the laws, period, rules and usages of the Zodiac Constitution, semicolon, being aboriginal and indigenous and bound to the North American continent by heritage, by primogeniture, by birthright, by natural birth, semicolon, by freehold, and by inheritance, period. I am entering, strike that, I am returning to the European cognomen and fictitious misnomer back to the colonial processors of its pedigree, period. I am not rightfully declaring, publishing, and proclaiming my own free national name, affirming my actual, rightful, and civil in full life status, conjoined to my ancestors, Moorish American consanguine pedigree and national honor, semicolon. Let it be declared, known, published, and resolved that I am Grayson Bay in proper persona sui juris, being in my own proper person by birthright, semicolon, I am Moorish. I'm not going to continue to read the rest of that.
Thank you, Your Honor. Well said, though.
Yeah. I don't know why you read one word of it, Judge. It's complete garbage. I don't know why you dignified it.
Thank you.
I just don't have a clue of what's going on with this.
Just a declaration of my nationality, Your Honor. Thank you, though. Well said, though.
Okay, so, and how? What am I supposed to take of this? You know, are you saying you're not an American?
I'm Moorish American from the land of Exuma, Turtle Island. The issue is the corporation of United States, and that's the issue. And I'm under a natural law as Grayson Bay. I'm in natural form now. Yeah, I mean, you said it excellent. You pronounced things perfectly. Yeah, but that's my nationality.
Right, so let's get to this.
Once again, I did proclaim that the court didn't have it.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. It was garbage. So he was tripping all over it. But the fact that he's happy about it is hilarious.
Jurisdiction over me. That's where we were at.
It says, notice to all law enforcement, nationals or citizens are not required to show identification to a police officer. So what I'm going to do, he cited a Supreme Court case. Now, I'm not even going, did you get arrested, Mr. Grayson Bay?
I was obtained.
So if there's no arrest, then how is this even
He was obtained. I think he was looking for detained. It seemed like he was arrested to me. I don't know what the magic distinction is, but you know, he had cuffs on in the back of a cop car because he couldn't calm down and he had stink pants.
pertinent here?
And under my jurisdiction, that's an arrest.
Well, we're not under your jurisdiction.
Once he puts
jurisdiction, judge. Say it right.
Once he touched my vehicle, it's a violation.
Well, listen. I don't recognize your jurisdiction in this court. I recognize the state of Michigan ordinances and laws and the Michigan court rules. So I'm
you gotta work on that speech, Judge. you can't go into the ums in the middle of your power play. It's not working.
I'm going to conclude that this based on this document that you've given me, this would be your lead case. That I'm not going to consider that necessarily an arrest. You weren't taken into custody, were you?
Yeah, he touched me.
I know. Okay, that's yeah. I don't have anything. If that's your
show us on the doll
authority that I just read as far as your Moorish nation, I don't understand that.
On your honor, also I'm not asking for a jury trial. I'm asking for you to make this decision. I'm asking for you.
But I told you that I'm not going to waive your jury trial rights. You're going to let
I don't want a jury trial. I want you. I trust you.
It doesn't
yeah,
matter.
I trust
sir.
you. I think you can make a firm decision and what's going on here. I'm pretty sure you see.
I want to make a decision right now on this stuff right now on most of it. All I told you I'm going to do is the failure to ID.
Oh, shoot. I don't want this to hang up now.
The failure, false info and ID. I'm not going to make a decision on that. I'm going to let a jury make the decision on that.
I'm not really getting an understanding. I mean, I don't think you can even find 12 Moorish people to even judge me or my peers. I mean, I'm not even going to consent to that. So I don't understand.
Well, I would be so offended if this knucklehead said that he trusted me in open court. I would be horrified. I really would. I would be like, I'm doing something wrong. There is no reason you should like me. Because you should understand that I'm going to drop the hammer on you at my first opportunity. Not because it's personal, but because that's the law.
How are you going to let me why do you want me to do it? I'm not Moorish.
Well, then you need to file a motion to dismiss this case.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
It's not going to happen.
Okay.
You got to file those motions on your own.
I'm telling you verbally right now. I'm filing a motion to dismiss this case.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss. I'm not going to grant the motion.
Take it to the next level. I'm not paying. That's just it. I'm Morris American, man. I'm Morris American. Okay?
I'm not going.
Okay, I like that. The only thing he said so far that I liked, he makes an oral motion, which you usually can't do, but he makes an oral motion. Judge denies it, although oddly says I'm not granting it. Yeah, we have a word for that. It's called denying it. And he said, well, then take it to the next level. I'm like, I like this. This guy wants that. He just had his hearing on the motion, and now he wants an appeal. Like an appellate court is going to appear and give him a ruling on Perkins right now.
I'm not going to go back.
My birthright.
Listen, I understand that. Listen, I'm not going to go back and forth with you. I'm not disputing.
Right. I don't even think the prosecutor even wanted to attempt to even battle this. And it's not even against you, Judge. I understand your situation. You wants to be the ref. You can be the referee in this, but I don't think the prosecutor even want to go through this.
Sorry.
I can't. He wants to be the ref. Oh my God.
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
I'm not gonna grant it.
Okay. Well, do what you do. Your Honor, I need you to accuse yourself of this case.
All right, no, I'm gonna continue on. So
you just said you trusted him 1 minute ago. 1 minute ago. And now you're asking for a recusal. No basis.
That's the case he cited.
I filed a motion for you to accuse yourself.
I'm going to deny it.
Okay.
You can put it in writing. I'll deny it. So let's continue on with this notice to all law enforcement. What do you believe this case says?
Are you referring to me, Your Honor?
Yes.
It says what it says. I'm just waiting on your decision. I'm here to defend my birthright and my nationality.
Oh my God, brilliant. I'm going to use this argument every day. Judge, it says what it says. I'm just waiting on your decision. That is going to be my argument on every motion henceforward. Maybe I'll insult him along the way. So what, can't you read?
When you see that 5-pointed star on the street, leave me alone. That's my nationality. That's all I ask for. We should be questioning the officer for even bringing me to you. They got to have respect for that nationality, and that's all I'm here to prove. My nationality and my birthright. All that other color stuff and color.
I want to announce right here now, I have zero respect for that nationality. Zero respect for your made-up nationality. None. Absolutely zero. I want the record to reflect right now, henceforward out to the world, that I have zero respect for the Moorish nationality. All right? There we go. Well, since we're all making records.
Isn't calling me black. I'm not permitting that. I'm sorry. You're not going to pull me over because I'm driving around black. That is real. DWB is real. But when you turn around and have a nationality, that's where it stops. He probably shouldn't have brought me to you, and that's the issue. We should be holding him accountable for his actions, not you or the prosecutor. I'm pretty sure the prosecutor don't even want to battle this. But I'm going to stand on my birthright and my nationality. That's my right. That's my common law. I'm very passionate about it, Your Honor, as you can see. So if I seem a little upset, or if I get a little...
Good point. He's already sworn that off. But he still wants to make that argument.
Mr. Vetcher, I'm sorry. I apologize for that, but my birthright will stand. I don't want to be a United States citizen no more. I'm not subject to United States no more. I'm tired of paying taxes. I can't even afford the insurance. My birthright is all I'm standing on. That's all I...
Fantastic. We don't want you either. Let's make this thing happen.
I have, Your Honor. All due respect. I'm Moorish American. I'm indigenous to this land. Nobody dragged me from Africa. This is my land. And you're going to respect me when you see that flag. Thank you.
I'm going to laugh when I see that flag. I might put on a fez and mock it, or I might just laugh. I'm not sure. It depends. It depends on the moment. But there will be no respect.
Shuttlesworth versus Birmingham. This is the court actually takes offense to you filing this.
It's a court case.
I do.
It's a court case. How will you be offensive?
I'm taking offense to you filing this and using this in your filing as a reason for you not to have a driver's license. And I don't know if you've read this case or not. It doesn't seem and appear that you've read any of these cases thoroughly, because I've gone through each one of these cases at different...
That's cute, as if the guy can read. I do remember this from before, but this is fantastic. We're going to the end here. It's not much longer.
Times, and if they each of them say exactly the opposite of what you appear that it says. And the Shuttlesworth case goes back to a time in history where we're still dealing with, where Reverend Shuttlesworth was a reverend in Birmingham, Alabama. And you're citing this case to saying that Shuttlesworth was saying that he can drive without a valid driver's license.
Definitely
look at that analogy to this case, and it's saying nothing of that sort. And I wish you would take time and read to what this case is saying, because I don't even think you, as a Moorish American, would I think you would retract this case law right here from what you've filed. You're using the people in the civil rights era who are trying to fight for their rights to march or down a public street. That's what this case was about. He's taken his congregation down a public street. He walked them on the sidewalk. He did not interfere with any traffic, and he crossed the street not against the lights or anything, and they still arrested Mr. Shuttlesworth for not having a license to congregate.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
But
you're right.
and you're saying that he needs to have a license. That is a
Yeah, that's true. He has no idea. He never read the case. He has no idea what it's about. And he acts like he acts like he's now agreeing with the judge. Oh shit, this is good.
You not having a license to drive.
If he want to proclaim he's black, he needed a license.
All right, I'm done with this. I've spent enough time on this.
The next day.
All right, this is going to be the city of Detroit versus Javar Tyrone Grayson. So I've already found you guilty of the count of refusing to exhibit a driver's license, SP 1464091. I'm going to fine you on that case $240. I've already found you responsible on SP 146390001, expired plate. I'm going to fine you $145 on that. And I've already found you responsible on SP 146390003, insurance no proof, and I say guilty on SP 1464091, and that's $240 for the insurance no proof. I'm going to fine you $195 on that. All right. When can you pay?
I would probably need after the holidays, maybe 3 months. I might get something up for you.
Are you working?
I do carpentry.
Yeah, you do carpentry. Are you working?
Yes. Yeah, I have jobs lined up.
Okay, so why do we need so much time?
They lined up. They're not completed. They're just future jobs that I have lined up.
So presently, you're not working?
Today, I'm in court.
You got this play on words.
Yeah, I mean, traveling and driving. Yeah, it's the system. Play on word. I mean, it's the truth, though. I mean, I got to speak the truth to you, right? You respect the truth?
Now,
okay, I'm not working today. I'm not working.
No. Let me ask you this, ma'am. Is this the kind of? I don't know. I want to make sure that you don't need any mental health services. Do you?
Are you questioning my mental capacity?
I'm asking because I mean, you're giving me these play on words. You're giving me all of this
speak
stuff.
The truth,
I don't
speak the truth.
I don't feel you're speaking the truth to me. I'm just gonna get you out of here. I'm gonna give you till March the 5th. You can either Zoom in or come in. I'm gonna give you till March the 5th to have the stuff paid off. All right?
Can I get a total of that?
You'll get a total with Miss Mathis here. All right. That'll conclude it. Sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a safe, happy holiday season. All right.
Oh, of course. Oh, that was fun. That was fun. I remember that, but now it irritates me. I mean, that was a lot of fun. But I did those court appearances a while back. They came back to me as I was doing it. But now I thought at the time, which is usually the case, I like Perkins. I think he's a nice guy, but I think he's too nice as a rule. And when I first saw it, I thought, he's a little too lenient with him. And now that I see it with the body cam, I think he was a lot too lenient with him. But it still was fun. it still was fun, the whole thing. Perkins, I mean, I don't mean to knock him. I think he's a smart guy or whatever, but he has a hard time with speech. Like, his speech is generally pretty good, but I don't know if he's got something or if it's just a habit where he says a lot and kind of gets mixed up in his words. It's not outrageous, but he does that a little bit more than most people. And then the comedy of him attempting to read, like, that would be a tongue twister for anybody because it's complete nonsense. It's just garbage. But they try to sound smart, so so it's garbage with like big words, but you can't like really piece it together because it doesn't make any sense. And then he's got his little speech. I mean, it was delicious. It really was. It really was. But yeah, I mean, there aren't huge crimes, but the guy's got to go away. And then of course he sues everybody afterwards. He needs. None of those were huge charges, but he needs something to wake him up. I don't know what that is. Maybe this wasn't the case for it, but he needs to. I mean, if it was me and with this kind of stuff, I absolutely would whack these people. Not outside of sentencing guidelines or anything, but yeah, in my mind, you're doing this. I don't think he's crazy. I think he's being a jerk on purpose. I think he thinks it's fun. I think he's a loser. He doesn't have anything going for himself. This is his entertainment because he can't afford anything else. I'm just being blunt. This applies to him and a lot of them. And that's mildly funny. But if I'm sitting on the bench, I feel my obligation on behalf of the people in that jurisdiction to stomp on this so it's not encouraged. It's as simple as that. I mean, they got convictions and all that stuff, and I don't think what happened was crazy or anything was really out of line in court or anything like that. I'm just saying if I'm sitting on the bench, I'm figuring out a way to lean hard on this situation. Yes, I have to have it's the prosecutor brings the charges, but once it's there, you have discretion on sentencing, and there's a range, and you're going up the, I'm not waiving fines and all this crap. I'm hitting you with them because you're intentionally being a jerk for your own entertainment. Okay, there's a price for that. That's just my mentality. I don't know. Thank you all for coming out. Thanks again to Bama Mike. That was a lot of fun. It was really fun. Although I had done the court part before, it was much more fun to see it again in context after the video. Behave yourselves. I'm not bailing you out. I'll see y'all soon.